The Constitutional Court (ConCourt) has granted local political activist Mbuso Fuzwayo and Pandebelele Pressure Group (Ibestru) Lika Zulu direct access to the highest court in the land to challenge President Emmerson Mnangagwa 2030 political agenda. Sarabina mashikobra tokopangwa ine tiona kuti aiwa ConCourt yopa Fuzwayo aiwa the way kuti aende anochallenja mutungamiri wenyika pavision yavo 2013 nokuamenda the constitution kundipa subscribe like on the bell icon tibina panapa mu breaking news mobulanyika mchenzi Fuzwayo has 5 days to file the ConCourt application while the respondents will have 3 days to respond. The case was heard before top judges Paddington Garvey, Ben Lashwayo and Bharat Patel. Fuzwayo was seeking direct access to ConCourt to challenge a resolution by the ruling ZANU-PF, Resolution 1 of 2024, which seeks to extend Mnangagwa's term of office from 2028 to 2030. Direct access to ConCourt is governed by Section 167 of the Constitution and Rule 21 of the Constitutional Court, Rules SI 61/2016, requiring applicants to show it is in the interest of justice. Such applications are generally reserved for exceptional, urgent, or critical constitutional matters. The core requirements of direct access is proving it is in the interest of justice, often when the lower courts cannot adequately resolve the matter, or for rapid resolution of constitutional issues. Domashkanumda pango inochona kuti aiwa Mbuso Fuzwayo opiwa aiwa alawa kuti ite another court application padare riri pamusoro pena comment section yetu dzavafungura muri kudi pamusoro pena yatona kuti Fuzwayo aiwa osungisa mutungamiri wenyika panhau yevision 2030. Pena comment section yetu dzavafungura muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.